right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of the Julibert Mathematics, episode 10. In our former episode, episode 9, we saw how to divide certain numbers mathematically. A typical example was 19 divided by 95. Just cancel the 9 in the numerator, 9 in the denominator. The remaining 1 over 5 is your answer mathematically, and it is correct. You can press your calculator and you get the same answer. Now, if you missed that video, I'm going to make available the link at the description box below so that you can easily access that after this video. Now, in today's video, episode 10, we are going to prove to you mathematically how men and women are evil. I am not the one that proclaimed men and women evil. I'm just supporting what was written in the Bible. If you check the book of, I think it should be the book of Jeremiah. The book of Jeremiah, he says the heart of a man is desperately evil. Who can comprehend it? I'm not the one that said that so that you wouldn't throw stones at me that I am proclaiming men and women evil. No, I am actually supporting what was written in the scriptures. Now, but mathematically, All right, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do well to click the subscription box below. Click it so that you can get notified each time we upload our videos, and then also give it a thumbs up if you like the video at the end of the proof. Trust me, it will blow your mind. All right, let's go straight to class and make that mathematics happen. All right, ladies and gentlemen, straight to business. Now, in this video, we are here to prove to you that men and women are evil. Yes, 100% proof. And it is a mathematically well-established fact. It's a biblical fact, but we can do that mathematically as well. Now, first, before we actually establish this proof, there are two basic mathematical parts that you need to understand if you are a beginner in mathematics. The first thing you need to understand is that when you talk about the root of a number, it is expressed as, let's say A is a number. If you're looking for the root of A, all you need to do is to have something like this at the top. So this is the root of A. That is how it is expressed. And of course, the root of A is equal to A raised to power 1 over 2, but you don't need that detail. If I say the root of 9, of course, the root of 9 means the square root of 9, which is equal to 3. That's the first fact. Now, the second fact we need to establish before this proof is effective is the fact that the square of the square root of a number is equal to that number itself. What do we mean? The square of the square root of a number, let's say 9, is equal to that number itself, which is 9. What do we mean? The square of the square root of A is equal to A itself. So that's a fact. You can prove that mathematically and it is correct. You can press your calculator and you get that fact established. Now, having done that, we can now go straight to the proof. Now, you'll agree with me that men and women actually, if you're a man or a woman, you will spend money and time with each other. What do we mean? If you're a man, you will definitely spend time and you will spend money with your wife. Let's take T for time and N for money. As a man, you spend time and money. As a woman, you also spend time and money with your man. If your boyfriend, you spend time and money with him. If it's your girlfriend, you spend time and money with her. Unless you are Obiageli, you just came to eat. You don't want to contribute anything. But ideally, you spend time and money with each other. Now, but there is a saying that time is money. Oh yes, time is money. If you're in the banking system, for example, the number of hours you work determines how much you are being paid for. Every time, every work you do, the number of time you spend on it determines how much you get. Now, if time is indeed money, I can comfortably come here and substitute this time for money. And that means men and women will now love money and as well another money. And of course, money times money will give you money all squared. Oh yes, n times n will give you n squared. But then also in the Bible, the Bible did said something. Bible said, but money is actually the root of all evil. I beg your pardon. The love of money is the root to all evil. Yes, I think you find that in the Bible. It's either in the book of Proverbs or in the book of Ecclesiasticus, or maybe Timothy, as the case may be. Okay. Ecclesiasticus was actually letting us to understand that money can be wayward. It can make you go haywire. But Timothy, yes, Timothy is actually where you find it. You find that in the book of Timothy, chapter 6, verses 10. First Timothy, yes. The love of money is the root of all evil. Now, if money equals evil, root, I can substitute it here. What am I going to have? That means men and women, instead of n squared, I can now put root of evil all squared. And of course, men and women, if you remember, the square of the square root of anything is that thing itself. And therefore, men and women, ladies and gentlemen, are evil. And that is cure ed. Quod erat demonstrantum. It is an expression to show that your work is well done. So now you have seen mathematically how men and women are indeed evil. This is one of the most amazing facts that people usually wonder about. How can this be possible? How can you do that mathematically? The proof is clear. But mind you, money is not bad, but the love of money is actually what is the problem. All right, thanks for watching. This is Julie Ben Mathemagics. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do well to click the subscription button so that we notify you each time we have videos amazing like this. Thanks for watching and do have a lovely weekend, and see you next Friday.